Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on computer. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. So for this, you have to select your app. Then click the right button of your mouse. Now go to Properties. Now select General. Here you can see the option of Hidden. You have to press on it. After selecting this, you have to click on Apply and OK. So this is how you can hide apps easily in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.